On a sunny morning by the sparkling blue ocean, Sandy the seagull flapped her wings and soared high above the sandy beach. She loved her home, a rocky cliff overlooking the waves, where she and her family lived. But Sandy was not like the other seagulls. While most were content to search for fish and snacks on the beach, Sandy dreamed of exploring the wide open sea. One day, Sandy woke up early and saw a group of pelicans flying far out toward the horizon. Her heart fluttered with excitement. "Today is the day," she said to herself. "I'm going to see what's beyond the waves." Sandy glided over the beach, past the fishing boats, and into the endless blue of the ocean. The salty breeze tickled her feathers, and the sun warmed her back. She spotted dolphins jumping playfully in a school of silvery fish shimmering below the surface. As Sandy ventured farther, she met a cheerful puffin named Pebbles. Pebbles was floating on a piece of driftwood. "Hello there," said Pebbles with a grin. "Where are you heading?" "I'm exploring the sea," said Sandy proudly. "Great. I'll show you something magical," Pebbles replied. Together, they flew toward a cluster of tiny islands. Sandy couldn't believe her eyes when she saw hundreds of birds nesting their brightly colored beaks, fluffy chicks, and a symphony of calls filled the air. "This is Bird Rock," said Pebbles. "It's a special place where seabirds gather to rest and raise their families." Sandy spent the day learning from her new friends. She met graceful albatrosses, clever terns, and even a pelican with a big pouch full of fish. They shared stories of their adventures across the sea. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with pink and orange, Sandy felt her heart swell with joy. She realized that the ocean wasn't just big and mysterious, it was also full of life, friendship, and wonder. Flying back to her cliff, Sandy thought about all she had seen. She couldn't wait to share her stories with her family. And from that day on, Sandy wasn't just a seagull, she was an explorer of the sea, with a heart as wide as the ocean.